You're losing money because you're chasing breakouts inside the noise. That's the silent killer in your trading account. Most retail traders see the Ichimoku cloud, they see a cross, they enter, and 2 candles later, they're stopped out. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. Here's what the pros do instead. They wait for confirmation from 2 systems working together, and they only trade when momentum is screaming in one direction. This is a proof of concept you can verify on any chart right now. I'm gonna show you a 2-indicator system that filters out fake breakouts and keeps you out of liquidity traps. We're using XAU-USD gold on the 15-minute time frame, but the logic works on stocks, indices, crypto, anything liquid. Price structure doesn't care what you are trading. It scales from 1 minute to daily time frame because support and resistance and market structure exist everywhere. Whether you are scalping or swing trading, the entry and exit principles stay the same. Let's start with the first indicator, the Ichimoku cloud. Most traders overcomplicated this thing. They obsess over the Tenkan-sen, the Kijun-sen, the lagging span, and all these lines that clutter the chart and confuse the direction. Here's the deal. The cloud itself is the only part that matters for this system. The cloud is visual representation of dynamic support and resistance. It's calculated using midpoint of the highest high and lowest low over specific periods, then projected forward. When price is above the cloud, you're in bullish territory. When price is below the cloud, you're in bearish territory. When price is inside the cloud, you're into a no-trade zone. That's the boundary of normal. That's where retail traders get slaughtered. The truth is, the Ichimoku cloud alone doesn't work. Many traders use cloud breakouts or line crosses as entry signals. But in ranging markets, that approach is bleeding your capital. Why? Because the cloud doesn't tell you about momentum. It doesn't tell you if the market is actually trending or just chopping sideways. It doesn't manage risk. It's a structure tool, not a timing tool. So when you enter on a cloud breakout without confirmation, you're walking into a stop-loss hunting territory. The market fakes the move, traps you, and takes your money. But before we solve the problem, let's adjust the Ichimoku settings. We just need the cloud. Disable the Tenkan-sen, the Kijun-sen, and the lagging span. Unclutter the chart. One clean visual, zero noise. That's how institutional traders think. Simplicity is the edge. Now the second indicator, the range oscillator by Zierman. This is a dynamic market oscillator designed to visualize how price is trading relative to the equilibrium range. Instead of relying on traditional overbought oversold thresholds, it uses adaptive range detection and heat map coloring to reveal where price is trading within a volatility adjusted band. The oscillator shows 3 critical levels: -100, 0, and +100. When the columns are between -100 and +100, the market lacks momentum. When the columns are red and below -100, you have a strong bearish momentum and a confirmed downtrend. When columns are green and above plus 100, you're having a strong bullish momentum and a confirmed uptrend. This is the market's statement about direction. This is the filter that saves you from account blowouts. The default settings are garbage. Here's what matters. Set the minimum range to 100. Change the range oscillator option to columns. Make the plus 100 and minus 100 levels more visible. Now look at the gold chart on the 15-minute time frame. Let me break this down with the trading setup rules. We're on the XAU-USD gold 15-minute time frame. On the chart, there's a strong bullish momentum showing on range oscillator. Buyers are in control. So we would not look for sell opportunities. That cause almost half of losing trades right there. You're not fighting the trend. You're not guessing. You're waiting for the market to tell you what it wants. Now the entry. Price action is above the Ichimoku cloud. What we do is wait for the price to rest, meaning a pullback to the Ichimoku cloud. Then we wait for price action to show a little bullish momentum again, meaning breaking back above the Ichimoku cloud. When that breakout happens, the bullish momentum must still exist in the market, meaning the range oscillator is above the plus 100 level. If so, that's the trigger candle to enter a long trade. This is the one signal that tells you when to pull the trigger. Without it, you're just gambling. Now comes the risk management. First, never risk more than 1% per trade. Second, always set a stop loss for your trade. In case the market turns back against your trade, you can cut the losses at a logical point and not lose all of your capital. Set your stop loss below the cloud or below the recent swing low. Set your take profit at 1.5 times your risk or 2 times your risk. This is how you survive market manipulation and false breakouts. Let's move on to the chart and see more examples. Look at here. The range oscillator columns are between the minus 100 and plus 100 levels. So the market is moving sideways. We stand on our hands and we do not trade just because we're not in a trade. Then a little later, price candles, which are above the Ichimoku cloud, pull back inside the cloud. And right after that, price breaks above the cloud. At that exact moment, the oscillator is showing bullish momentum in the market. The long trigger is confirmed. Entry. A stop loss below the cloud, take profit at 2 times risk. Clean, simple, repeatable. Then again after that, you see another valid long trade. Price pulls back to the cloud, breaks above, range oscillator is green, above plus 100 level, that's confirmation, that's the edge. That's what separates you from the retail herd. The strategy works across all financial markets and time frames. Because price structure is universal, just adapt your risk management to each instrument and time frame. Then backtest before going live. The logic doesn't change, the discipline doesn't change, the patience doesn't change. Now if you want something even simpler, check out the recommended video on a screen. It breaks down the most straightforward scalping strategy you'll ever see. Pure price action, clear entry and exit rules, no complexity. If you want an approach you can start testing right away, go watch it now. Happy trading!